This is the YouTuber. These are my Black & Decker coffee makers. As you can see, they're Avenges. They all come with a filter basket and the clock and the thermos. I'll show you the thermos quickly. This one's brand new. This one's basically used a little bit. It's used a little bit. And that's a nice coffee thing. This one just slides on. This one is the start. And this is like the craft. They're clean, man. They're basically clean crafts. They're never been used. This is brand new. All the reservoirs that come out. All the reservoirs that come out in pretty good shape. This one has the clutter clock. And this one has like the coffee bath comes out. Pretty good shape. They all have little inches. This one's brand new. You also use crafts, spare crafts. Still have the glass intact. This one's brand new. I picked it at Vat Village for like $2. This one's brand new. Then I got an extra lid reservoir, an extra lid, an extra seal, and an extra coffee basket. And those are all my coffee makers and so as you can see. And yeah, like and subscribe to my channel, so yeah. Peace.